like this is the lowest one, so. What? Lots of traffic. Oh my God. What's up, my beautiful people? Welcome back to the channel. So if you're not yet a subscriber, what are you waiting for? On the road to 30k, I hope to see that. And yes, in this video we have a lot of traffic. The gauge was traffic, the river was rising, there was a lot of rain in the gauge. It's been raining in the gauge since Monday. We have a power outage on Monday, and I know people in this probably have experienced it too. But let me tell you, if you're gonna use the gauge, I have to use the gauge with caution. You know, so a car went over like last week into the river. Lucky thing, the man could have swim, so he saved himself, right? And in most cases like this, we won't be round, especially when something happen like round at the corner, they will call Riggis corner or a Pimrock corner. Nobody not live around the stuff to save nobody, so not have to use the gauge with caution, I beg. What caused the traffic around Flatbridge today was just the river rising, people just taking them time and going across it. Then unfortunately a tree fell down around Bubbler, Hackey Walk side, 5 Mile, any name you want to call it. People who knows those areas, and the JDF, big up on a nice clean self, they came through and cleaned that all up, and the road is up again and running. So but it's still traffic, so people just be careful, be cautious, and take on a time drive on the gauge. Alright, river rise, but I don't think it's gonna rise that much to cause a flood. But you don't know, it's that time again when the river rises, every rainfalls cause flood and all of that. So I'm just telling you guys to be cautious and big up on a nice clean self. I'm out.